Are you in search of the best asset maintenance tracking software that won't break your budget? Welcome to the world of asset maintenance tracking software, a digital tool designed to help businesses manage, track, and maintain their physical and digital assets with efficiency. This software is like having a personal assistant that never sleeps, constantly keeping an eye on your assets, ensuring they're functioning at their best. It's all about optimizing asset utilization, streamlining maintenance activities, reducing downtime, and saving costs. Think of it like a superhero for your assets, fighting off the villains of inefficiency and disorganization. But it's not just about what it can do today, it's about how it can transform your business for the future. Now let's delve into the key features of this software and how they can revolutionize your business operations. Understanding the key features of asset maintenance tracking software can help you make an informed decision. Let's delve into what makes this tool a must-have for businesses. Firstly, effective maintenance task management is at the heart of any asset tracking software. It enables you to schedule, assign, and track maintenance tasks with ease, ensuring that no job falls through the cracks. Moving on, barcode and RFID tracking. This feature simplifies asset identification, making it quick and error-free. Scan a barcode or RFID tag and all the asset information is at your fingertips. Next, we have user permissions and controls. These enable you to regulate who has access to what information, enhancing security and preventing unauthorized changes. Then, asset utilization tracking is a feature that monitors how your assets are being used. It provides insights into which assets are overused or underused, helping you optimize asset allocation. Automated alerts and notifications are another vital feature. These keep you informed about upcoming maintenance tasks, warranty expirations, and other critical events, ensuring timely action. Now let's not forget reliable mobile access. This feature allows you to access your asset data from anywhere, at any time, making remote asset management a reality. Budget tracking and forecasting is a feature that helps you monitor your maintenance costs and predict future expenses. This aids in better financial planning and cost control. Real-time asset monitoring is another key feature. It provides live updates about your asset status, helping you act swiftly in case of any issues. Lastly, asset disposal management. This helps you record and track end-of-life assets, ensuring proper disposal and compliance with regulations. Now that you're aware of the key features, it's crucial to choose the right software for your business. Choosing the best software requires careful consideration and assessment of your business needs. Start by understanding your current situation. What are the specific asset maintenance issues you face? Once you've defined these, outline your expectations from the software. Next, consider the vendor's reputation. Look for reviews and testimonials to gauge their credibility. Then, ensure the software is compatible with your existing systems and can be customized to fit your processes. Security is another crucial factor. Your chosen software should have robust data protection measures in place. Lastly, don't overlook the power of analytics and reporting capabilities. These features can provide valuable insights and help you make informed decisions. Remember, the best software for you is the one that meets your specific needs and budget. We hope this video was insightful and has equipped you with the knowledge to choose the best asset maintenance tracking software. If you found this information valuable, we have so much more to share. By hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and sharing this video, you're not just helping us grow, you're also ensuring that you won't miss out on any of our future content. We're constantly researching and sharing insights to help you make the most informed decisions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more insights. Stay tuned.